I heard it through the grapevine. So there's our grapevine. It's pretty big. We'll see how much of it we actually use. How many times did you go around? Just 3? You twisted it on and then you went around 3 times?
We did, yeah.
Is this too much? Too little?
The stem ends, wrap them on there. Again, about 3 or 4 times. Easier to use a different color other than green, because it just gets yourself all confused with the needles and the green wire.
What am I grabbing? Decided that I'm gonna use some little red sparkly Christmas ball ornaments, a red bow, and some little pine cones with holly, and this one's just like a little gold pine cone. I think it broke off something else, so I'm gonna see if I can fit these onto the wreath somewhere. And this one's already got a wire on it, I guess.
Yeah, but it's not big enough. I'm gonna use like a foot of wire on each one.
Okay. What did you do?
I'm just sticking the wires together. So I already had the little ones.
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you're going for that too.
Yeah. So are you attaching it to the grapevine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, like where it starts to get further away, the little piney coney bit.
And then stick it through the phone and tie it to whatever's closest.
Hey, I think it worked. That was good. Cool. Cool.
I'm a professional.
Well, you're a master gardener. And now that Thanksgiving is over, we'll take away the Halloween Thanksgiving wreath. It's Christmas! Touch.